What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another freaking video.
But I'll be on it always, always
And today, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a mini unboxing video from shein, whatever y'all call it, I don't know. But before I get into this video, I just want to say thank y'all so much for I think I got 42 subscribers now. Thank y'all so much for tuning in with the kid. And I hope y'all continue to tune in. I hope I'm like speaking a little motivation for you guys. And yeah. But no, seriously, like, I know it kind of like sound like a little pathetic, but like I am serious though. Thank y'all so much. And another thing, I will be getting a camera. I'll probably be here like 2 weeks. I'm gonna get it on Friday, and I absolutely cannot wait so I can actually start like vlogging a little bit more. But yeah. But before I actually dive into this box, let me tell y'all my freaking day, y'all. It was long and stressful, and I was like on the verge of quitting my job, y'all. But then I realized I needed me a car. So I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. But I might be going out of town. I don't know yet. I don't know. I'm trying to see the vibes, trying to scope the scenery out before I just decide that I'm actually going out of town. So I'm not gonna tell y'all where I'm going. Y'all just gonna have to see if I do go. But it's gonna be like a little fun trip or whatever. And so I cannot wait. Hopefully the trip actually falls through and I go, because I've been waiting to actually vlog my trips. Like, I'm gonna do like days, like day 1 here, day 2 here, day 3 here, like stuff like that. Like, I can vlog in the airport, you know, do all types of stuff. Like, so hopefully I do end up going or whatever. And if I look a little oily, y'all, I'm fresh out the shower. And I was like, if my stuff comes today, I'm gonna record. If it comes tomorrow, I'm gonna record. And yeah, I know y'all probably get tired of me saying "and yeah," but I say that so much. It's just like in my vocabulary. But yeah, I gotta get some scissors for this box right quick. So hold on. If y'all can hear my TV in the background too, I hope y'all really can't hear it, but y'all probably won't be able to hear it. It's on forward. I'm trying to watch a little TV. I kind of get a little bored when I'm talking on my phone. So I've been needing to watch something. So I just turned on my favorite movie. So I turned on the Medea family funeral, whatever. It came out like in 2019. I love that movie so much. But yeah, let's open this box up. Let me see. I don't know how long it took to get here. Probably it almost took like 2 weeks. I ordered it like 2 Fridays ago. Anyways, while I'm gonna open this box, I hope y'all had a wonderful day, a stress-free day. I hope y'all did everything y'all said I was gonna do today, and I hope y'all are doing well, mentally, physically, and emotionally. I hope y'all are doing well. I hope y'all are happy, and I hope y'all are just, I hope stuff is going right in y'all life, literally, because me personally, I've been happy like for this past whole January, for real, like I haven't been feeling no type of depression, no type of anxiety. Well, stuff today, I was very stressed out, but I hope y'all are doing well, like, you know. But yeah, it's like a mini box. Like, I only ordered like 7 things, not even 7, probably 6. But yeah, here's the box. I gotta get the thumbnails in, y'all. So yeah, I would dump it on the couch, but I got some shoes in here and I don't want them to fall out the box. So yeah. Oh, if y'all did not see, y'all probably didn't see, I got the Stanley in the video today. It's not acting up. Last time I decided it wanted to waste my purse, so that's why. I'm gonna set the box on the floor. The first thing that's in here is some bras. Y'all don't need to see that though. And then then the second thing I got was this laundry basket, y'all, because I needed a laundry basket so bad. When I tell y'all, I ain't have no laundry basket. So I'm gonna open it up and see how big it is. Okay. It would do me justice for my lip gloss. Y'all, my teacher told me talking about some for a homebody, you should order a lot of clothes, and I'm like, I really do, but I just be taking flicks. Like I take flicks all the time, y'all. Make sure y'all go follow my Instagram and my TikTok, y'all. It's in the description below, and I'll try to put it on the screen too. And it's also in the intro. No, it's in the outro video. So if y'all stay to the end, it's also at the end of the video. Okay. This is the laundry basket though. It's so cute, y'all. It says laundry. It says laundry. This will definitely do me justice, y'all, because I was definitely, y'all. I got Forever 21 bags. Like, I got like 5 of them. I just put my laundry in there and then I wash every Thursday or Friday on my off days. But yeah, this is how the bag looks. Can't wait to put my laundry in here. I'm gonna put it in here right after I end this video. And then I got this chic. This is some perfume. It's like a small kind. I was reading some reviews about it and everybody said it smells really good. So I'm gonna try it. I will also try to put the pictures up on the screen over here. I know I'm sitting like more towards this side. But I should have put them up over here to show y'all what they look like online. I can't wait to get these bras to try out though. Because these bras are too cute. And yeah, I'm actually sitting on the floor. Okay. They did not want this to open, I see. Okay. Struggling a little bit here. Okay, there we go. I was gonna put my hair in a bun, y'all, but I ended up just leaving it down because I don't ever have my hair down for my videos. So I was like, forget it, I'm gonna just leave it down. But this is what it looks like though. It's super cute. I hope it's focusing because I can't see. But it's super cute. Let me smell. Oh, this smells good. It smells good, y'all. It smells like, I can't really describe the smell, but it smells really good. But it's like a really small bottle, but I don't spray too much. I just put on like 2 pumps and call it a day. And then y'all, I got some, dang, I'm really looking, y'all. I really ain't even ordered nothing, but like I wanted to record a video because I need some content. But I got these flare jeans that I was gonna wear on Valentine's Day. And yes, I will be vlogging my Valentine's Day, y'all. And I'm pretty sure I can fit them. They're stretchy. I got a medium, I think. I'm gonna put it on over here. But these are really cute. I'm gonna try them on for y'all. Something I really needed. This is a necessity. A mini trash can. I just be ordering stuff, y'all. Not gonna lie. It's very loud. But I need this trash can for like my little facial cotton pads. So I can just throw them in there and be done with it. This is the little trash can. It's very small. It'll work for me.
Let's see how we put this together. Yeah, I need to go to my freaking eye doctor place and get my glasses tightened because I'm tired of looking at my glasses like, oh, it's money green. You can until I ain't no handyman. Okay, there we go. Oh, I think I put it on wrong. Did I put it on wrong? I think I put it on wrong. I think it's supposed to go like that. Alright, because they ain't put no instructions in here, so how you girls supposed to know? I don't know if I like this. I think it goes like this, but... What the heck? Not even close. I mean, what do I expect? I ordered off shein. But this is a little trash can. I think I got it on wrong. But I'm not sure. I don't want to go like this. Oh, maybe you do. Okay, maybe you do. Okay, it do go like that. Okay, I was right. Okay.
There we go. And it's super cute. Super cute and mini, just like me. And I just put a little trash in there. Heck, it's cute. I can't wait to use it. Alright. The next thing I got, y'all, I got my niece. And now look, every time I order something online, y'all, I'm always ordering my niece something. It don't matter where I'm at. I'm always looking up toys. But I ordered her this purse. Because she's a purse girly, just like me. Y'all, she is 3 with like the most sassiest attitude, y'all. I love her so much. Anyways, I got her this little Barbie purse. I think she'll really like it. And it's cute and mini, just like her. And yeah, I cannot wait to give it to her. She's gonna be like, wow. She always says that, y'all. But this is really cute. And she likes Barbie. And she likes pink. Just like me. And then I ordered me a little wallet. I'm really trying to cut it open like it's not a seal or anything. I need to make a new wallet, y'all. I was tired of my raggedy Guess wallet, so I just downgraded to a shein wallet. I really don't care. But this is the wallet. Nice little space, and it's super cute with hearts and stuff on it. Perfect. Ooh, something I've been waiting for. These flare leggings, y'all. I have been waiting for these, y'all. I hope these are actually nice and flared. They look like they're gonna be flared. Really good. I'm gonna try them on too. And then something else I've been waiting on. Ooh, the box is a little raggedy. I went on these dad shoes. That's what they're called on shein. Like dad something shoes. These are super cute, and I hope I can fit them because the other shoes I have that's kind of like these, I got them in a wrong size. I got them too small, and they be hurt my feet. So I don't wear them all the time. I only wear them like twice. But yeah, these are super cute. Don't sleep on shein shoes, y'all. Y'all probably like, it's not a brand. Da, 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 da. So, baby, this is a baddie on a budget, okay? But yeah, these are stupid cute. Oh, I cannot wait to. These ones I flare like, ooh, y'all, and I'm gonna get the viral TikTok BBL jacket. Ooh, just now. I got this on. But yeah, dang, I was just looking like that's not even that much stuff. But that's all I really had, y'all. I can show y'all my Uggs. Okay, so I got my Uggs. got them from Journeys. And they're just some ultra mini Uggs. I'm also gonna be wearing these on Valentine's Day. They look big, but they actually feel pretty nice. They're very easy for me to slip my foot in. You know, sometimes you gotta break your Ugg boots in. Like the longer the boot is, like the longer it is above your thigh, the harder it is to break the boot in. But yeah, I can't wait to put these on and take flicks. One thing about me, baby, I'm gonna snap a flick. I'm gonna snap a flick. And that's all I really have for y'all today. But just be looking out for my unboxing video, my camera, and a little TikTok shop haul, and my indoor home spa day video. But yeah, that's it. Thank y'all for watching my video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Follow my socials in the description down below. And I'll be back for more.